In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Amazon gift card to buy stuff. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use and manage your gift card balance on the Amazon website as I'm doing here in this video, or through the Amazon mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, you have two ways of managing your balance. You can go to your account page by clicking on your name at the top right corner of the screen, or in the bottom menu if you are doing this on mobile, and you will be able to access the gift cards section over here. So after you go to your account page, select gift cards. As you can see in this page, you can select redeem a gift card and receive the balance from an Amazon gift card. If you are having trouble finding the code, you can click this option and they will give you instructions on where you can find your Amazon gift card code. Input it here, and as long as you include a valid code, you will be able to receive your balance. I'm not going to do that in this video because I don't have a gift card to demonstrate this, but after you are done, you can proceed to checkout. The second method, if you don't want to go to your account page, all you have to do is proceed to checkout, and you will also have the option to redeem the gift card here. As you can see on the Your Available Balance category, when you are asked to pick a payment method, you will be able to input the code and apply the balance to your account. If you applied it previously on your account page, it will be available here for you to use as balance when you make this checkout order. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Amazon gift card to buy stuff. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.